Copy sits on muddy bank of big river under heavy gray sky. Copy holds small glowing rectangle showing news from faraway city. Screen flashes red. Numbers drop like stones in deep water. News anchor with shiny hair shouts about catastrophe. Anchor says trillions of oranges vanished from stock market in a single afternoon. Global wealth evaporated like mist under midday sun. Copy feels cold sweat on neck. Copy looks at small bag of oranges gathered after long months of toil in mud. Copy looks at screen, then looks at empty horizon. Copy screams at clouds with voice full of fear. If oranges evaporated, where is steam? If oranges burned, where is smoke? Nobody saw fire. Nobody smelled fruit cooking. Piles of wealth are gone, yet trees still stand, and dirt is still brown. Copy thinks magic is happening, dark, cruel magic of swamp. Copy believes oranges are real things with weight and juice. Copy does not understand that oranges in glowing box are only ghosts of fruit.
Cappy enters state of panic because Boss Capybara says world is ending. Boss Capybara stands on wooden platform and tells every Cappy in swamp to be afraid. Boss Capybara says value is gone and everyone is poor now. Cappy looks at farm. Cappy looks at grove of trees. Yesterday, grove was worth 1,000 oranges. Today, glowing box says grove is worth only 10 oranges. Cappy feels chest tighten. Cappy thinks he lost 990 oranges, but Cappy still has same trees. Cappy still has same dirt. Only thing that changed is the story told by Banker Alligator. Banker Alligator sits in cool dark water of Central Cave. Banker Alligator does not panic. Banker Alligator watches Cappy run in circles. Banker Alligator knows secret of the swamp. Money does not disappear into thin air. Money is energy, and energy only moves from one pocket to another. When market collapses, oranges do not cease to exist. They change owners. Cappy sees red numbers and thinks he is drowning.
Copy wants to save what little is left. Copy runs to Banker Alligator. Copy offers entire grove of trees for tiny handful of dried orange peels. Copy thinks he is being smart by escaping before value hits zero. Banker Alligator smiles with many sharp teeth. Banker Alligator buys grove for almost nothing. Banker Alligator uses orange paper printed by Boss Capybara during long night. Copy walks away with 2 peels and sense of relief. Copy thinks he survived crash. In reality, Copy just handed his life to Predator. Oranges did not evaporate. Oranges moved from Copy's hands into mouth of Alligator. This is great transfer. This is way swamp works. Crisis is not destruction. Crisis is massive harvest for those who own river. Banker Alligator knows that fear makes Copy stupid. Fear makes Copy sell real things, land, trees, tools, for fake things like falling paper. While Copy cries about lost savings, Banker Alligator accumulates everything that matters. Wealth did not leave swamp.
It just concentrated in deep water where Cappy cannot swim. Banker Alligator waits for Cappy to forget pain. Soon, Banker Alligator will tell new story. Banker Alligator will say oranges are growing again. Banker Alligator will sell same grove back to Cappy for 10,000 oranges. Banker Alligator gets rich while Cappy works harder to buy back what he already owned. Cappy must learn hard lesson of jungle. Market is a game of patience played against desperate. When everyone screams that oranges are gone, Cappy must look at trees. If trees are still there, wealth is still there. Only price is fake. Boss Capybara and Banker Alligator create storm to make Cappy drop his fruit. Next time sky turns red and glowing box screams of ruin, Cappy must not run to sell. Cappy must stay still. Cappy must watch Banker Alligator. Cappy must do what Alligator does. When herd runs in terror, hunter stays and gathers. Real assets, land, seeds, sun, never evaporate. Only illusions of paper disappear.
To survive collapse, Cappy must stop chasing ghosts of oranges and start owning trees. Swamp is cold and sun is indifferent, but those who hold ground when others fly away are ones who end up with all fruit in end. Wealth is never lost. It is simply taken from hands of afraid
and placed into vaults of cold-blooded.